In today's video, I'm going to be doing an EGR delete on my 1.9 TDI. That will take less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. So first up, the tools that you will need include something to cut cable ties with. In my case, I'm using wire cutters. A bolt that will fit in your vacuum line. This can be done while you are stripping the stuff out, but I already have a bolt handy, so. Third up, we need 2 cable ties, some duct tape, and now in order to get started on deleting your EGR, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the bonnet, remove your engine cover by just pulling up and sliding towards you. Now let's stop here for a second and say why you need to delete your EGR. The first thing you need to know is that EGR basically takes your exhaust gases and puts it back into the intake of the engine to be burned again. Now why this is bad? You see, your engine actually also circulates oil through those pipes. So when oil and exhaust gas, diesel exhaust gas, mixes up, it forms this hard like crud. If it gets too much of this hard crud, it will end up giving some running issues, as you're going to have a restricted intake, and if any big chunks get into your engine, it can cause some severe damage. So in order to prevent that, you delete your EGR. And when you delete your EGR, your fuel consumption will improve slightly. So as you can see, this circular thing towards the top and the back of the engine on your left hand side is your EGR. What you can do is just going to pull out that pipe that goes into that circular thing. You're going to push the bolt that you have into that pipe. You're then going to cable tie the pipe so that the bolt does not fall out. Do make sure your cable tie is tight. I'm going to take my duct tape and block off the vacuum pipe that's above the EGR so that no dirt can get in. Once that is done, to stop your vacuum line for your EGR valve from flapping around, you're going to cable tie that to the EGR vacuum port. But first, obviously, you want to chop off the ends with your wire cutters. Once it's cable tied, the cable cannot flop all over the place and eventually break. Thereafter, it's just a matter of cleaning up and putting back your engine cover. And that's it. That's an EGR delete. However, do note that when you do delete the EGR, do the simple EGR delete, you're going to end up with a message on your dash saying emissions workshop and a check engine light. However, I feel that's nothing to worry about, as it saves you from cleaning your intake out and also gives you better fuel economy. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content. I'll see you around.